Hello students, Dr. Watson here with a quick tutorial on how to find the major operator in sentential claims. Remember that the major operator is the operator that determines the truth value of the entire claim. So if T then Q is a single complex claim. Now it's made up of simple claims. It's made up of T, made up of Q. T can be either true or false. Q can be either true or false. But the truth value of if T then Q is determined by the major operator, which in this case is the conditional. So the truth value of if T then Q is determined by the major operator operating on whatever truth values we find in T or Q. Let's look at a little more complex case. Imagine we add a negation to the T. Now this changes the truth value of T, so that if T were true, not T is false. But it doesn't change the truth value of the entire claim. The entire claim is still a conditional. If it's not the case that T, then Q. So the truth value is determined for the whole claim by the conditional. So the conditional is the major operator. There is a negation in there, but it's not operating on the entire claim. It's just operating on the antecedent of this conditional claim. That is, it's just operating on the T. Now, what if we put a negation outside the entire claim? In this case, we have a new operator that does determine the truth value of the entire claim. It's no longer the conditional that determines whether the claim is true, because the whole claim is now, it's not the case that if not T, then Q. So the conditional is not determining the truth value for that. It is the new negation. The negation operates on the entire claim in this case. So the major operator for it's not the case that if not T, then Q is the first negation, the negation outside the parentheses. We can make it more complicated. We can take our it's not the case that if not T, then Q, and we can disjoin it to another conditional, if R, then S. Now notice what we have here. We have a new complex claim. The whole claim has a truth value. Each of its parts has a truth value, but the whole claim also has a truth value. Now, we can see that the parts in this case are two disjuncts. Our original claim, it's not the case that if not T, then Q, and our new claim, if R, then S. These two parts have been disjoined, which means that we've applied the disjunction operator to them. Now, it's this disjunction operator that determines the truth value for the entire claim. So the major operator for this new complex claim is the disjunction. I hope that helps. Please feel free to email your instructor with any questions about this material.